So what are landing pages? So landing pages in marketing are 1-page to 2-page websites that are used to collect visitors' information, but also can be used to generate sales online. Here's the first example of a landing page. It's a Netflix landing page right here. It's a simple landing page that collects visitors' emails. For the second example, we have Uber Eats. Again, simple landing page, just one form field right here, simple title right here just to put address, and just clicking a button and deliver the food. They have this pretty image to basically tells it that it is a food delivery landing page. And for number 3, we have a Shopify landing page. Again, pretty clear, pretty smooth landing page. They are also trying to get emails of people. They are also running a promotion up on the top of the page right here, $1 per month on selected plans. They have these cool looking images, and that's basically it. These are landing pages you can build. So making it simple, it's actually better than making it complex and with too much information.